getting under your thick skin, trying or not, building and nesting your weaknesses, swimming around in your bloodstream, can't make it stop. Oh, I just need to tell that. Oh, don't, no, don't let them get in your head, in your head. So don't, please don't let them get in your head, in your head. They don't know you like I do, like I do. They don't know you like I do. Oh, don't, no, don't let them get in your head, in your head. So don't, please don't let them get on your body. So tell me what you want me to do. I can be good or be naughty, because there ain't nobody love you like I do, 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 listen and relax. From here on, you don't have to say a word. So just let go and don't hold back. I've got you, welcome you into my world. I know that some might say that I am just a bad girl, but if you treat me right, I will be the best girl in this whole world. No, I'm not gonna fight. I've got my hands on your body. So tell me what you want me to do. I can be good or be naughty, because there ain't nobody love you like I do, like I do, like I do, like I do.
Good job, everyone! I hope you enjoyed this full body workout with me today, and I hope you have lots of fun sweats with me as well. Let me know what else would you like to see next, and please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this workout. Thank you guys, and I'll see you next time.